Hey guys, Tashi Delek everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make boba tea, which is very famous in Taiwan and also it's very famous in all of the world. Actually this is very good for in summertime, and making this recipe we need only 3 ingredients. Also it's request some of my viewers, so I'm going to try. Even I'm also trying first time. So I'm also not professional for this, but I will try this for you guys, show you how to make this in my way. So hope you will love it, this recipe. Okay guys, so let me show you the ingredient of making tea. So here is the tapioca starch, which is very important in this recipe. This is the main ingredient. And second, we need brown sugar, and this is the cocoa powder, so I'm using for color, and tea bag and water we need. 1 cup I'm gonna mix with cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, and we're going to mix this. Okay, now it's ready to go for kitchen. Okay guys, so now here we're going to make sugar water. So for that, here I take half cup water, 1 cup flour, you have to take around half cup water, and just in half cup water also I'm gonna add just half only here, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Mix this, let them boil this. So there's many people making in different way. So some people, what they are doing, they're adding directly flour and they mixing, but I did that, not mixing properly, and half we going to add here, and we just going to mix this. Mix in cold water actually. Okay. Now you can see this water is boiling start. And this time we cannot just turn off, not turn off the heat, I just keep in low flame, and we're going to add just around 1 tablespoon you can add first, and just give it a mix and add more, and again freeze. Make sure do not add on one time because it's difficult to mix. So okay, now again we're going to add, just adding little by little. So for me, this way is working actually. I try many way, but this is the more easy, I feel that. And but still I doesn't turn off the heat. So continuously I just knead for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds you can see the consistency is like this. So now I'm gonna take out this. Okay, now you can see my dough is become like this. Now take some flour again. Also you can put here some flour so it easily take out. Now again we have to knead this until dough become not smooth. When you knead the dough, you have to take just knife, then you can just do like this. Otherwise it's so sticky. You can see how it was sticky. Okay, now you can see my dough is already become smooth. Now it's time to make a roll. So it will stick, so you can just put some flour. Now little we have to make it just flat. So thickness you can see I just left the half inch, around half inch. So I'm gonna just, now we're going to cut this. Stick each other, so make sure it will keep in separate. And also I'm gonna just cover this like this, and we're gonna just roll like this. You can see I'm doing much as longer, it's coming small. Try to make small much as you can, so because when you boil it will little, it's become like increase the size actually. Okay, now we're gonna add some tapioca flour here, and we're going to just roll this all. You have to just roll a small roll like this, and we're going to put here like this. Okay guys, so I have to make continuously like this until not finished. So after make all this, then I will show you what the next step. So it's simple like this, we have to roll. So okay guys, so finally we made this, all is finished. Now it's ready to boil. So if you want to store, you have to just let them dry this completely. After that you can store this. So let me show you, yesterday I made the mango flavor and watermelon flavor also. Okay guys, so this is I make right now, and this is the mango flavor, and these are watermelon flavor. So these are I make yesterday, and it's already dry. This you can hear the sounds. Now you can store this. So now I'm gonna just cook now half. I will cook, just mix this, and this is the fresh one, and I'm gonna just put this also, and we're gonna just remove the extra flour. Okay guys, now once it start to boil the water, now we're going to add this. And one time mix this so it will not stick in bottom. Now cook in medium flame for 25 minutes. Oh, color really, wow, it's so pretty color. I like the color. You can see this is already increased the size. Oh, now after 25 minutes gone, now I'm gonna take out. So it's already cooked. You can see the color. Okay, now we're going to put in ice water. Now I'm gonna keep in ice water for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to prepare the sugar syrup. Now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons brown sugar and half cup of water, and let them bring to boil this. Now you can see the all sugar is already melt. Now this time we're going to add our bubble tea. One time start. Now again we're going to boil this in medium low flame for 5 to 6 minutes until the sugar will not become little thick. Okay guys, so after 6 minutes you can see it's already become dark color and also it's become thick. Let me show you properly. Yeah, that's what we need. Okay, now turn off the heat and just let them cool down this. This is Himalayan tea bag actually. I brought from Nepal. And add this and 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Okay, now first just toast this for a few minutes. Let them little burn so this way sugar will easily melt and also it will give little nice brown color and it's giving good taste actually. And you can use normal tea bag. Okay, now it's time to add milk. Now it's ready. You can see it already changed the color, and also we don't need to boil this. You can see this milk already changed color. We don't need to make dark, even too much dark color, just a light brown color. Turn off the heat. Here's our tea. So it's ready. Okay guys, now it's ready to make tea. The finally all ingredient is ready. So before add the bubbles, so you have to mix one time, and after that you can add 2 tablespoons. So according to you need, you can add. Or bottom of cup you can apply some sugar syrup. So this is not necessary to do this. So if you do this, it looks more pretty. Put some ice cube, and this is our made before tea. Now finally we're going to fill up this and it's ready to enjoy. Okay guys, so finally our boba tea is ready to drink. Now this is perfect for summertime. It's refreshing drink, so yeah, I will recommend you to try this. Okay guys, so making bubble is, I will recommend you to buy from ready-made one. Otherwise it's making it takes long time, and also I feel it's waste of time for making this. And also okay guys, so making bubbles, so I will suggest you to buy from outside because it wastes of time making bubble is. But if you're free, then if you want to experience of making that, then you can go. Otherwise it's waste of time making this. And yeah, if you want to store this, then let them completely dry, then you can store any container, airtight container, and you can use any time this, it will not damage. Also this bubble you can not only use in tea, you can use many way. Here's the simple example of simple breakfast recipe. So I just add some mixed fruits and some cornflakes, and top on this we add bubble, and finally we gonna add some milk. So if you want extra sweet, then you can just add some peanut butter or you can add honey. And here is quick breakfast. So it's simple and easy and healthy. Okay guys, so that's it for today's recipe, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and bring the more recipe guys. Please share with your friends and family. excuse me, and all time enjoy my recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye. Even thank you so much for my viewer, for especially they request me, and also I really enjoy myself also. Thank you.